Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I will show you and tell you how you can easily get back to your personal Instagram account. Please subscribe to our channel, be sure to write your comments, and also put likes. And let's go ahead and get started. So, first of course, we're going to need to go to Instagram. Next. At the bottom, we click on our page. Once you're on your page, you click on the three bars at the top to go to the menu. And this is where you select Settings and Privacy. And then you find a section called Now. Here you find the Creator Tools and Controls section. If you have a business account, it's called Business Tools and Controls. And after that, you go to it. And then you scroll down. And you find Switch Account Type. And as you can see, here we're given a choice. We can switch to a personal account or a private account. Once you choose to switch to a personal account, you just need to confirm it. Log out of Instagram and log back in. This way, Instagram will update and you will no longer have a business account, for example, but a personal account. That's the simple way you can get back into your personal account on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.